Hello, my name is Deandra Ford-Wing, and I'm the Director of Customer Success for the Conversion Cloud. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about Concession Manager. What is Concession Manager? Well, it's an app that lets your website viewers or visitors claim offers in exchange for their contact information, dramatically boosting your website conversion rates. With Concession Manager, your team will always have a steady stream of leads to call on and close. So with that, let's talk about the app itself and go into it. We simply click on Concession Manager and we're taken to the landing page for Concession Manager where we see two offers. The one toggled on to green is our active offer, so we're going to click into that. This is where we're actually able to change the verbiage as needed for our offer. We can choose from an offer title, description, disclaimer link title, disclaimer text, and so on and so forth. There are also qualification questions. What is the name of your company? What is your website URL? What is your biggest marketing challenge? The neat thing about this is that you can actually go in and choose from a drop-down menu of default questions, or you can choose your own. There's also a feature where we have an offer duration period. It can start at whatever specified date you have and end whatever specified date you have. If there's no specified end date, you can actually choose ongoing, and this offer will continue until you turn it off. So this is our offer right now. If we go to the website, we can see the offer here, free lube in detail. We can actually change this information. Let's go back to doing a free oil change. And then we can change the description to get free oil changes. And then from there, we can click save. If we refresh the page, the offer has changed. It is that simple to change any offer that you have on your website. If the prospect goes in and claims the offer, they're asked some questions about themselves, first and last name, phone number, and email. Once they click claim this offer, that's where they're taken to the qualification questions. And once they submit their response, they become an active lead. Another neat thing about this tool is that it's easily customizable. If we go back to the tool here itself, you see that the widget itself is on the top right-hand side of the page. If it's getting in the way of anything, we can change that very simply by going into behaviors and styles, selecting custom color, and clicking edit. Once we do that, we can scroll down and we can change the widget placement. Right now it says top right. We can change that to top left. Once we do, click save. We can see if it's active by clicking on the refresh button. And as you can see, now our widget is on the top left. That is all that we have time for today. Thank you so much for being a captive audience, and have a great day.